Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you how to generate a random set of tabular data in different formats: CSV, Excel file and JSON file. Sometimes inside your application, if you need some kind of random data for API testing or any sort of application testing, then this script will be very much useful. It uses two libraries of Python, Pandas libraries and NumPy. So as you can see, we are generating 100 rows of user data, and it contains these four columns: name, age, country, marks. You can actually change any sort of columns. You just need to provide the column names and the actual schema. So then it will generate the random set of user data. So as I execute the script here, let me show you. It will generate the data in all the formats. First of all, you need to install the necessary packages. As you can see, it has generated the data in CSV format, JSON format and Excel format. All the three extensions of data has been successfully generated. If I open the CSV file here, you will see it has generated 100 users, name, age, country and marks. Similarly for JSON as well, you will see it has created this array of objects. Each object is having the property, four properties: name, age, mark, country and marks. And this is your Excel file here as well. It is actually containing this sheet of data. 100 users are there: name, age, country, marks. So as I already told, you need to install some modules for this. First of all, we are using this popular package, which is Pandas package. It's a powerful package for data analysis. So simply install this by executing this command. And also we need the NumPy package as well, which is also a very popular package in Python for array computing. So simply install this by executing this command as well. So after you install this, we just need to create a simple app.py file. So the very first thing we need to do, you just need to import the necessary packages. So import pandas as pd, and also we need to import the numpy package as np. And then we need to set how many rows of data that you want to generate. So I will set this to 100, and then this pandas library contains a function here which is data frame, and inside this we pass the set of columns that we want to generate. So we need to generate the names, 100 names. So here we will be looping through using the for loop. So we'll be using a for loop here, for I in looping through 1 to 100, so rows plus 1. So similarly we'll be doing it for age column as well. So for this we'll be using the numpy package to generate the random set of data. So we have a set of methods here. So for generating random integer, we have this method 18 to 60, and size is equal to rows. Similarly, we'll be having the third column here, the country column, and so here you can set a predefined choices here, what countries that you want to put here. So it will be selecting these countries for each record here. So we have set these 5 countries here, so it will select every time from here. Then lastly we have the marks column here, right here. So once again we will be generating a integer. (40 to 100), and then we set the size to rows. So that's all. After setting this, it now becomes easy. So we can, upon this data frame, we can call a set of methods. First of all, for exporting this data to CSV, we can set this data.csv and index Then we also have the method to Excel for generating it as a Excel file. And lastly, we also have the method to underscore JSON for exporting this data to JSON. We can even set the indentation right here, which is 4. So this completes the script. A very simple package. You first of all import this. You set the number of rows to be generated. So we set this to 100, and then we provide the schema, provide the column names, and then we export this data to all the formats. So you can see that it will generate the data here in all the 3 formats. You will see that. So if I set this to rows to 10 here, so now it will only generate 10 rows of data. So this is a very useful script for generating random set of data in various formats here. It will every time it will be random and it will be quick. So all the script is given in the description of the video, and thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.